Are you feeling overwhelmed, stressed, stuck, or simply out of alignment? Do you find yourself asking, there has to be more to life than just surviving? If so, you are not alone. Aloha, my name is Jon Lovgren, founder of Get Pono, and I invite you to join me for a powerful 2-hour workshop designed to help you reconnect with what matters most. The word Pono is Hawaiian and means balance, alignment, integrity, and being in right relationship with yourself and with life. In this interactive workshop, we will explore practical tools for reducing stress, improving relationships, finding greater peace, and creating a life that feels more authentic and fulfilling. Together, we will engage in meaningful conversations, personal reflection, and simple practices that can help you gain clarity and move forward with greater purpose and confidence. You do not need to have everything figured out. You do not need to be perfect. You simply need a willingness to show up. Whether you are navigating challenges, seeking personal growth, or just wanting to create more peace and balance in your life, this workshop offers a safe and welcoming space to pause, reflect, and reconnect. Because getting Pono is not about becoming someone else. It is about coming home to who you really are. I hope you'll join us. Come as you are, leave with greater clarity, renewed purpose, and practical tools for living a more balanced and meaningful life. Get Pono and bring your life back into alignment. See you there. July 22nd, Wednesday, 6 to 8 p.m. at Around the Kava Bowl.